If you've ever wondered why some drivers never panic, never break down, and somehow avoid expensive repairs, it's not luck, it's experience. And today, you're about to steal 17 tricks that the most experienced drivers use every single day. Tricks that keep their cars running longer, make driving safer, and save thousands on repairs. Let's start with a trick almost no one knows, the 3-second rule plus one. Most people follow the standard 3-second following distance, but experienced drivers add 1 extra second at speeds over 60 miles per hour. This single trick prevents accidents, reduces brake wear, and gives you reaction time when the driver ahead slams their brakes. Here's another one, using your handbrake while parking on a slope. Many drivers park on a hill using only the transmission. Experienced drivers always apply the handbrake first, then shift into P. This prevents stress on the transmission lock and avoids expensive repair bills. Next up, the cold start warm-up rule. Old drivers know this. Never sit idle warming up your car. Instead, start the engine, wait 10 seconds, and drive gently. This warms the engine faster and reduces carbon buildup. Now for the tire pressure magic number. Experienced drivers keep their tires 1 to 2 psi above the recommended level. Why? It improves fuel efficiency, reduces tire wear, and prevents blowouts during long road trips. Don't forget about using the mirror trick. Before driving, tilt your side mirrors slightly outward. This eliminates blind spots and drastically reduces lane change accidents. And finally, the brake pedal test. Every expert driver presses the brake pedal lightly before switching from P to D. If the pedal feels soft, spongy, or goes deeper than usual, that's an early sign of air in the brake line or a leak. This simple check prevents brake failure. The gas pedal smooth start. Rookies slam the gas, but experienced drivers gently accelerate in the first 3 seconds. This prevents transmission shock, protects your engine mounts, and improves fuel economy. Let's talk about RPM shift awareness. If your car revs unusually high before shifting, that's your transmission asking for help. Experienced drivers instantly recognize this and check transmission fluid before it becomes a $2,500 repair. There's also the weather tire rule. Hot weather means slightly higher PSI, and cold weather means lower PSI. Experienced drivers adjust their tire pressure seasonally, extending tire life by thousands of miles. Don't overlook the hidden cabin filter check. Most drivers don't know where their cabin filter is. Experienced drivers replace it every 10 to 12 months. It improves AC cooling, increases airflow, and keeps the blower motor from burning out. Another key habit. The safe merge speed trick. Experienced drivers always match the highway speed before entering, not after. This creates smoother merges and reduces the risk of being rear-ended. And finally, the turn signal early advantage. Your signal should come on 3 seconds before braking. Pros do this to give other drivers time to predict your movement, reducing collision chances dramatically. Alright, here's a classic. The steering wheel thumb rule. Old school drivers never, ever place their thumbs inside the wheel. In an accident, the airbag can snap the wheel so violently that your thumbs will break. So, keeping your thumbs outside actually prevents hand injuries. Next up, listening to tire noise. Experienced drivers, they'll often drive with the window down for about 10 seconds in a quiet area. If your tires make kind of a wobbling or helicopter sound, it's a sign of uneven wear, or maybe even a bent rim. Now let's talk about the parallel parking angle trick. Pros use a simple formula rear bumper aligned with the other car's rear bumper, turn the wheel full right, back up halfway, straighten out, and then turn full left. This method works every single time. Here's another good one, the engine feel trick. Experienced drivers lightly rest their hand on the steering wheel at stoplights. Why? The vibration pattern tells them if the engine's misfiring, struggling, or idling rough, way before any check engine light pops up. And finally, the emergency escape rule. Pros already know their escape route. When stopped in traffic, they leave about 1 car length of space from the vehicle in front. If someone crashes from behind, they can quickly move forward instead of being sandwiched. These 17 tricks are used by people who've driven hundreds of thousands of miles, and honestly, they're the reason experienced drivers spend less money on repairs and have fewer accidents. If you found even just one of these tricks useful, imagine how much money and stress you'll save by learning all the hidden secrets experts use every day. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around, because the next videos are packed with even more driver secrets that dealerships never tell you.